Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm vlogging, and that's for the first time when I'm at home. I'm vlogging. Yes, I always was very skeptical. Like, if I don't have a concrete plan of the day, what will I vlog? But then, yeah, I'm very much enjoying watching these vlogs, and that is the reason I thought, why not make these. Right now it's the evening, it's 5 o'clock now, and I was watching one of the vlogs, and I was like, I can do something like that, and it's nothing that interesting in my day, but then it's worth sharing. So yeah, this is my terrace. I'll give you a quick view of my. We still have bikes going on here and there. Yeah, whatever. Yep, I'll just show you my terrace here. These are the cute little baby cloths here. Look at these. They're so focus. The cute little baby clothes hanging. These are of my tenants who stay here at my place. There's a little charpai here. It's not like charpai, it's like a camp cot. All the Bengalis there will be knowing this camp cot. And then there is the room where my workspace is. I will show you my workspace. Yeah. It's a little messy. It's a lot messy here. That's my comfort sofa. And I don't know, the chair came here. This is my work from home setup. Make the lighting a little more precise. Yep. So this is my work from home setup. There's another sofa here all covered up. And this is the setup, as I said. That's the fan. And that's the room here. My dad is sleeping right now. This is the complete mess. That's my microwave. That's the washing machine out here, and I don't know what all of these doing. So that's it. That's how it is. That is it. So here's the setup of the room that I work in. Quite good. Literally gives the vibe of work from home. And the best part is out here. We have a window. So that's it. The sofa cover is messed up again. Things are all messed up in my places. Ignore that sound as well. That's my father watching movie. So yep, that's it. And I almost of the time stay here because this is just a place where I like being. Like, look at the ambience, like look at the atmosphere here, and it's very pleasing out here. Yep. And also I have not done any makeup, as you can see. I will do a little bit of makeup because I have 1 to 2 videos to shoot. And yeah, and this is the first time I'm vlogging from a mobile, and like a selfie camera on karke I'm vlogging for the first time. There was one vlog up in my channel, 2, but then all of them were outside vlogs. Okay, I never did a day in my life vlogs, and look at me, I'm literally sweating. I'm literally sweating. I still don't understand this, but to look in the screen or in the camera. I'm very much novice to this, but then I will get into it gradually. So yeah, I hope I do something at least productive today. I made chas for all my family. Like, I was seeing some video on IGTV. Yeah, I was watching IGTV videos, and I saw this actress. I forgot the name of that actress, but then I saw her doing chas, and I did chas and it was quite tasty. And yeah, I thought of entering that also in the, yeah, I did made a video of it. I think if it is there, I will insert the video in somewhere here. But if I don't, I'll make another video tomorrow maybe. Yeah. Also, I'm thinking that whether I do a day in my life or a week in my life. Thought a couple of video ideas like day routine, night routine, skincare routine, and also I have few reviews to be shared out there. But the thing is, work from home is little too much hectic. It is very hectic, and coping up with everything right now is very difficult. But then I will do it because I like doing it. And that's it. I don't know what will I do now. I think I'll go and work for some time now. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys again. Yes guys, I have just done the workout and I feel so good. And on very rare occasions I work out, but yes, this feels really good. During this quarantine, try and be thoda bahut like active, and at least investing 10 to 15 minutes for yourself is more than enough. So I do the same. Like, I'm not giving you any health gyans because I myself need it. But then yes, it's just a little piece of advice or a little piece of friendly suggestion, you can say, that you should work out early. Like, I'll do my dinner in a while, and okay, I'll do one of the most coolest thing right now, and that is watching YouTube. Guys, watching YouTube. Oh my god, this thing, like TikTok versus YouTube and Illuminati is just like going all over. And yeah, this is the thing that I'll be going to do right now. It's all about COVID and everything. Just pray that everything goes well. And yeah, oh my god, this is Makhani Maggi recipe. Yeah, and the most my most favorite pastime has become this cooking. But I was never good at cooking, but then right now I'm all cooking. So cook with me. I also have one series, Cook With Me. Like, it has only 2 videos, I feel, right? And I'll share more videos for this cooking thing. Yeah, so I'll do this now. Now I'll go and take a bath because I'm all sweaty. And then I'll come back again to share my day with you. Stay tuned. I just came to eat my food. The food is getting heated. That's my work setup, and this was the room where my dad was sleeping. This is my mom and dad's room. Also wanted to show you guys this. This is like an aquarium with beautiful few fishes. They're just trespassers, I just go on looking at them playing. Didi, look at you, yay. I can do this for hours. Yep. So this is my dinner, and it is oats khichdi with Nutella. I will end the vlog here, and yes, do subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and